Thinking about hiring a search engine marketing firm but not sure what they actually do? In this video, we'll explain how SEM firms help businesses grow online through targeted search ads and expert strategy. A search engine marketing firm specializes in promoting your business through paid search advertising, most commonly with Google Ads and Bing Ads. Their goal is simple: get your business in front of people actively searching for your products or services. Here's what a good SEM firm will do. Research high-converting keywords that match your target audience's intent. Set up and manage ad campaigns to maximize visibility and ROI. Optimize ad copy and landing pages for higher click-through and conversion rates. Track performance and make adjustments using real-time analytics. Run A/B tests to fine-tune ads and reduce wasted spend. Provide monthly reporting so you know exactly where your budget is going. Search engine marketing firms are especially valuable if you want fast, measurable results. Unlike SEO, which takes time, SEM gets you traffic almost immediately. But strategy is key to success. When choosing a firm, look for certified Google Ads partners, transparent pricing, and proven results. Like this video if you want more marketing insights, and hit subscribe for weekly business growth content.